So now please join me to welcome our judges and commenters from Kambria Challenge, Mr. Hải Đạo, a Director of Engineering at Kambria.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Yep, let me share my screen and then let's get started with the second part of the program. Okay, I hope that you can see my slide. First of all, thank you everyone for spending the night to join this program. And it is my pleasure today to be here to introduce you about Kambria and our new program, the NFT IP program. My name is Hải, and right now I'm an engineering director of Kambria and OmniLab Vietnam. Actually, it's quite a coincidence as in my previous life, I am also a technical director of the AR VR company. I'm really excited to see that AR VR is right now going to the mainstream, and there's a lot of meaningful problems that need innovator to come in and resolve. So before I go into the detail of the NFT IP Marketplace Challenge that is organized by Kambria, I would like to spend a few minutes to give everyone, especially the participants who will register for this challenge, some quick overview about the Kambria ecosystem and how this NFT IP program fit into our ecosystem. 4 years ago, we launched Kambria as an open innovation ecosystem, and our hope is it will enable developer and company to reduce wastes in innovation process and collaborate better with each other. This ecosystem actually consists of 6 major pillars that we have identified and discovered in the past 4 years growing the community. The first pillar is the starter program, which is this program that we are in right now. So this is a program where we co-organize with company and corporation to raise the real-life problem and call for solution from innovator and developer team. Throughout this program, team will be formed to deliver proof of concept or the full solution to the problem. They will get some help from the expert network and working with, they will understand more about the problem from the company. Through this program, we will help to identify the winner and winning solution, and then help them to grow into the next program, the project portfolio. So the second pillar, the project portfolio. In this project portfolio, we showcase and market the project solutions that can be developed further into the commercial product. Besides the winning solution from our starter program, we also open to external team by inviting them to join and showcase their portfolio in this project portfolio portal, so that the team, the solution can be more visible to investor and accelerator. Come to the next program that we are launching now. We have been so-called soft launch and tested with some third-party platform from last year, but now we want to officially build up it through this starter program. So the NFT IP Marketplace will help those innovators to package the technology and resource into an IP NFT package. Then they can use the marketplace to license and commercialize their patent, their IP. Besides those 3 so-called major pillars, we also have open innovation hub for innovator, investor, domain expert, and company to connect and collaborate with each other to help each other to grow the product to the next level. For innovator and developer community, we also have the education and knowledge base system to help them improve their skill and knowledge in deep tech. And finally, the whole ecosystem is powered by the Kambria tokenomics to strongly incentivize collaboration and sharing among the party to this system. Okay, so let's go to the NFT IP program. So we first first I will explain about the program, and then after that I will go down into the system that it enables that type of program. The mission of the NFT IP program is to enable innovator and developer to license, monetize, and protect the IP. This program aim is to inspire innovator to strive for excellence of their work and earn the value out of this. So people, the team of developers do not just develop something that should be thrown away, but they should try for an excellent work so that it can be packaged and reused by others. And throughout this system, they can be ensure that the technology, their work will be protected, and they can have the money value out of this. The resource, the patent will be tokenized as an NFT and allow commercialization in the marketplace. The base idea for this program is that patent can be treated as the business asset, which can be licensed, traced, and commercialized. So in this program, there are several partners that we identify as the key user to this program, also the key user to the system. First, we will have innovator partner or problem solver or development team. This innovator can be developer group who have concrete solution or proof of concept of the MVP of the product technology and want to look for opportunity to commercialize the solution, or maybe just to test the market. The innovator can also be a data contributor who have the data sets for AI ML training and would like to license it to AI and ML company. The second partner is the solution seeker. They are tech SME or corporation who want to save time and money in R&D, or the one who need the data to perfect their AI ML solutions. Besides these two major partners, we also have a referral partner who are tech coin or tech community who can refer the solution to the solution seeker, and from there they can earn the referral bonus. This referral partner is very, very important in this ecosystem because they can help to identify the needs and help to link the person, the team, the person who seeks for solution and what is available in the marketplace. Just a quick brief about the collaboration process between us, Kambria, with an innovator partner. So when they want to tokenize the solutions and data set, we will first sign an NDA with the team, review their resource, and advise about what type of license price and the license quality that they could get started with. And then when everything is approved, we will proceed to create the NFT and market and selling it in selling the license as NFT in the marketplace. Okay, so at the heart of this program is the NFT IP Marketplace system that we want to call for development in this starter program. In the marketplace, the system will package the solutions, including intro deck, demo video, source code, system design, technical document, or an AI ML dataset as an NFT. The system should allow to create multiple NFT for one IP. So over here, the number of NFT will corresponding to the number of license that is granted. And the system will have the affiliate feature to allow user to refer buyer, and then from there they will earn the bonus. The system will allow the transaction in at least at the first start in two chains, Ethereum and Binance chain. The main purpose is to enable the utility of our KAT ERC-20 and KYTE BSC, which is the two token of the Kambria ecosystem. The system will distribute the revenue sharing between Innovator, Kambria, challenge sponsor, and referral partner. Last, but also one of the important factor of the NFT IP is that different from the typical art NFT. The buyer of this NFT IP is not allowed to sell, to resell, or to give the NFT as they bought. However, they can sell the NFT of their inherited work. Means that if someone buy several NFT, IP NFT, and then they develop something out of that it have additional value, they can be the solution can be packaged as well as to sell in the NFT marketplace. But we do not allow someone to like just purchase and then after that sell the NFT. The full specifications of this system have been provided in the challenge page in Kambria. I hope that you have reviewed it. But over here, in the last few slides, I would like to just re-emphasize on the major feature of the system and the deliverable checklist. Those will be used by the mentor and the serve later to identify the winning solution of this program or of this challenge. First of all, the solution should allow the admin to mine the IP NFT on both on both Ethereum and or Binance chains. So over here, basically admin over here is the Kambria. So when we sign an agreement with the company, then we've been going to this system to create the NFT. So if we have some info about the NFT, it already been detailed in the challenge page. It will have the field to enter the editable price anchored by USD, and it allow the mining of NFT with the gatlet mechanism. It's then option to mine the NFT on Ethereum or Binance, and also an option to best mine the total number of NFT. In this system, the admin will be able to edit the NFT info and also to cancel the listing if anything bad happens. The next feature of this NFT IP marketplace system is the portal or the page itself, which allow the solution seeker to view and later purchase the IP NFT. So it will have the NFT IP information, licensing info, information about the licenses, as well as the purchase functions. So for the purchase functions, it allows the transaction on with KAT ERC-20 or KAT BSC. So basically, they can choose to buy this IP NFT either on Ethereum or Binance chains using the KAT or KAT token via MetaMask. And then the solution seeker can apply the discount code. So basically, discount code is like a special code that the admin could generate for the system to allow them to give out the discount in different marketing campaign. Because the price of the NFT were anchored by USD, then as well as have the effect of this discount code, then the system should calculate the number of cards and kinds that the user have to pay. Then the system record the transaction info, and then because there would be when the admin mine the NFT, there will be a repeated number, so the system should notify out of stock of certain NFT IP and then remind additional mining, send the reminder to the admin, and then from there the admin have to work back with the innovator who markets the NFT IP to come out or to mine the next NFT. And then some other feature of this system is allow the licenses to register to for the license of the to license their derivative work. I mentioned the system do not allow someone to resell it, but then if someone develop like additional value on top of certain NFT IP, they can repackage it and market it in the NFT IP Marketplace. Over here, the system allow them to submit the to allow the previous buyer to submit the registration form, and then notification email will be sent to admin, and then from there we will work with them to see how we could enable this type of agreement. The next feature is the system allow the admin to send an IP NFT to someone as a gift, follow the Kambria program regulations. So we will have the specific and strict regulation on about this. Then inside the system, admin system, there will be the NFT transfer. We can allow the transfer with the provided info, and when the NFT transfer, there will be a notification email sent to all of the partner. Finally, it's also quite important for this system. It will be incorporated and integrated within the Kambria ecosystem. So there would be some compatibility requirement. Over here, basically, we just have some basic requirement about programming language and framework that developer can use. So they should use React at the front end, Node.js as the API and backend, and MongoDB for the database. And also, when they submit the solution, they should have enough documentations about how they design and develop this overall NFT IP marketplace system. Okay, I think that's all for me about the requirement for the NFT IP marketplace.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hai, for introducing the challenge from Kambria.